I need to just show you what my room situation is looking like right now. So come with me. A hot ass mess, but we're gonna change that. This is what New York is gonna look like, okay? You're gonna go out, you're gonna make a mess of your apartment after working a long week in the office hustling, and then the next day you're gonna wake up and be like, you know what, I need to get my shit together, clean your room, you're gonna feel great on Sunday, and then you're gonna repeat it all. You only have to go to the bathroom, but my roommate is in there. Stay focused. What a life to live, right? I know. Anyway, let's clean this mess because I feel like I can't function at this point. Let's do it. I think this is about how clean my room is going to get for now. So on to the next ting. On to the next ding. Sorry. I need to clean the bathroom. Okay, let's go. smoothie intermission here to try and help get some more nutrients into my body and some protein. Just wanted to kind of explain why I am making this video, and that's because for the past few days I've kind of been hard on myself, feeling like I was behind on things. There are a lot of goals and timelines that I wanted to hit, but I just wasn't hitting them. And I was really hard on myself because I'm like, I'm going out and I'm doing these things and I'm not accomplishing the goals that I had in mind for my life. But this kind of helped me realize, like, life is for enjoying, and yeah, you need to be consistent and hit your goals and, you know, persevere and have discipline, but you still need to go out and enjoy yourself and have fun and not be so hard on yourself. And you just have to wake up and get right back at it. You know, I went out, I partied, I woke up, I cleaned, and I started my day, and I still was able to hit different marks and timelines that I planned on doing. So don't be so hard on yourself. Enjoy your life. It was made for living. And maybe you partied this weekend, and next weekend as we speak while I'm editing this video, I am staying in the house and I'm not doing anything, and I'm getting caught up on all the things that I need to get caught up on. So be kind to yourself, have fun, obviously stay consistent, but enjoy your life because you only have one life, so you might as well live it and go out and party with your friends. Anyway, let's clean the kitchen. Y'all, I feel I am wearing a shirt. I look naked. 9-day difference. Okay, compared to how I felt this morning. Yeah. It's 5 o'clock. I have to leave to go to a show. And I need to start getting ready for it. But I'm gonna drink a big old glass of water. Thank y'all so much for watching and spending this very difficult day with me. I'm going to finish my smoothie and eat my probably spoiled hard-boiled eggs, and then get ready and go to the show. But we'll see you on the next one.